my tub para insecticide. 16 drums. For 2 days na ng spray namin. 1 month ng bunga. You cannot see it baka kasi small, very small pa. One month old pang bunga. Expected namin mag-harvest maybe July, August. We are spraying twice a week. That's 4 days a week. 2 days kasi masyado na malaki ang lugar. The trees getting bigger pa. Ang puno i-spray ang konti Tapo ka lang. "5:20 in the morning. Maaga pa kami nag-start. Wala tayong sa tub, chemicals, insecticide and fungicide. It's my power spray. The hose, 500 meters. Ang hose, spray hose. This is my Honda spray, power spray. This is mixtures of insecticide and fungicide. We have to mix regularly. Kasi bababa yung powder na fungicide. We have to stir it every 2 minutes. This 16 drums ang pass dito. Ang laman nito lahat. And the other one Bali 8 grams per layer. My packing house, may water pump ako to, you know, para doon sa tub. I'm using it. There's the hose to my tub. This is all for now. You cannot see pa the fruits kasi it's too small. But we can try. Diba? Bunga. 1 month old. You can see. You can look and see. See. Ah, hindi makita. Maybe later.